Do you want to make real money online in 2025 using just your phone? Then listen carefully. Today I'm showing you how Hype Network is helping beginners earn daily income without stressing, without investment, and without complicated skills. In this video, I'll guide you step by step. How to join, how to complete simple tasks, and requirements to start withdrawing your earnings instantly. If you've been looking for a legit platform to boost your income, Hype Network might be exactly what you need, so make sure you subscribe. Like this video, comment, and share to your friends. Let's get started. Your online earning journey begins right now.
So you will just go in the comment section and see the link or description and click on the link you will see. If you click on the link, you will go in the Play Store. You go in the Play Store and download this app called the Hype Network. After download this, you will click to play in order to open it. When you open it, you will see the page here. You will click on sign in with Google. Sign in with Google. You will click here. Yes. When you click, you will see all your email account. You will choose one. You will choose one email account you want to use in this app. So for me, I will click where I want. Then I select email account. Wait a few moments. So your sign-in is being loading. Boom, 100 hype, because you use my referral code, my referral link, 100 balance. So the first way you use it to increase this 100 hype is scroll down and see bonus task. So you see this bonus task is to follow on X, to follow Hype Network on X. So I'm going to show you how to complete this task. So this task is very more. You will follow, subscribe, post on X, join Telegram. So let's subscribe on YouTube. You will wait a few moments and subscribe on this YouTube of Hype Network. This video show you how to withdraw. Yes, you will see. Then you go back and come to reward received. Click OK. Then our balance 150. So you will click another Facebook. You will click another you will click another task. For another task, then for me, I clicked on Facebook. I will follow Hype Network on Facebook. After follow Hype Network on Facebook, I will return back to Hype Network and see my balance was increased. So you will see your completed task will be verified. Yes, our balance is 200 hype. So another step to increase your earnings is to click to start. Here to start. For every 6 hours we will get 50 hype. For each every 6 hours you will receive 50 hype. So you will click here for every 6 hours, return here for every 6 hours and click start. So another step is to click here on referral and referral your friend. For each referral you will get 100 hype. For each referral you will get 100 hype. So the another things I'm going to show you is to show you how the requirement to withdraw, which something required in order to withdraw, which something to complete. So you will click on wallet. Sorry guys, you will click on wallet and see the requirement is 10,000 hype. We get 200 coins in just a few minutes. So to complete 10,000 hype is very easy. In just 1 week you will be complete. So I'm going to show you top one which have most coin in this app. So you see top 23 from first up to 23rd. So you will make more money in just by working very hard in this app for referral more friend, and by clicking to start every 6 hours. So the bonus task will be completed. It will not coming another. So you must have to refer more friends and stay to start every 6 hours. So in the next video I will show you step guide to withdraw. Okay, make sure you subscribe.